Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Android emulator application GameLoop is not opening or crashing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would suggest would be just to close out the application and then relaunch it. You may also want to try searching for it in the search menu, and then when you have it up on the screen, right click on it and then run as an administrator and see if running it with administrator permissions helps resolve the problem. You can also attempt to reinstall GameLoop as well. You may want to make sure that your computer supports virtualization, so you may have to go into your computer BIOS settings and enable that through there. You would have to look up your specific make and model of computer in order to locate those settings and if your computer or hardware is compatible with virtualization. So just something else to keep in mind, and that's basically it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.